molecule of carbon and 2 molecules of oxygen. If they are combined, they make carbon dioxide. For this experiment, you will need some baking soda, a spoon, a glove, or you could use a balloon, 2 bottles or glasses, some vinegar, or a funnel. If you're going to use a balloon, you can take a funnel to fill the baking soda in the balloon. Let's get started with the experiment. So first, I'm going to take the vinegar. You have to pour 20 ml. And now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to take one and a half, but you can take 2 depending on your soda. Now I'm going to put the glove over the glass. Are you ready to see some carbon dioxide? Well, whenever you're ready, you can turn the glove. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, that is so cool. This feels like so much gas is inside of this glove. Okay, time for science fact. If we put vinegar and baking soda together, they produce a lot of gases. If we put these 2 together, they also make carbon dioxide. The stuff in vinegar that makes it smell sharp is called acetic acid. The chemical name for baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. If we put these 2 together, they make carbonic acid. Carbonic acid doesn't like to stick around, and it quickly converts itself into carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide escapes in the air because gases are so light and you're left with water. That is why the glove or the balloon is filled with air. I hope you understood something about carbon dioxide. I'll show you how carbon dioxide is used to extinguish fire. So for this, we will need some carbon dioxide. Let's create it using vinegar and baking soda. Okay. So I'm going to pour some vinegar in the glass. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to take some baking soda. Remember, when you put the baking soda in the vinegar, you have to quickly pour it into the candle. Okay. Whoa! That just blew that away. That's so cool, guys. Did you see that? That was so amazing. That is how carbon dioxide is used to extinguish fire. I hope you liked my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. In my next videos, I will do more science experiments and give you more science facts. I hope you liked this one. Bye!